Hey, my name is Chris Yokel and welcome to the Christ Covenant Church website. I'm responsible for music here at Christ Covenant and I also help to put the liturgy together on a monthly basis. And so I wanted to just talk to you a little bit about what our worship is like here at Christ Covenant Church. Now, when most people think of worship, a lot of times we just tend to think of music. And that's an important part of worship. But at Christ Covenant, we like to think of worship, even just worship in the service itself, as more than just the words we sing. For us, the whole act of coming together as God's people is worship. Even just as our very lives and the things we do outside of the church are worship. But when we come together, everything that we do, in praying, in singing, in listening to the Word and responding to it, is all part of what we give to God in acknowledging His worth and glorifying Him. And that leads to our practice of liturgy. Now, what is liturgy? Most people, when they hear that term, might think of candles, incense, Catholicism, and especially if you're a Protestant, the idea of liturgy might bring up some bad thoughts in your mind, maybe dead orthodoxy, people just reciting prayers with no meaning. That's not really what liturgy is or has to be, even though sometimes it's treated that way. Liturgy basically means the public expression or work of God's people in worshiping Him. And believe it or not, every church has a liturgy. Whenever any group of Christians gathers together to worship God, they're going to do it in some way or form that's a pattern. Whether that's, singing in a sermon, what have you. We all fall into patterns and orders and habits. The important thing to think about is how that pattern works and shapes who we are. And so at Christ Covenant Church, we're very focused on practicing a liturgy that is really scripturally centered and gospel centered. That is, each week we are remembering the gospel again and going through it, and basically each week reminding ourselves of who we are as Christians by telling our story. We have a story as Christians. We've become part of a story, part of a history of God's people that goes back thousands of years and is continuing on. And so by our liturgy, we're remembering that story. We're reminding ourselves once again of our identity, and we're reminding ourselves of the gospel and our need for the gospel every week. So, when we come in and we hear the call of God in the gospel, we hear the call to worship, we're reminded of God's mercy. When we come asking for God's mercy and confessing our sin, we remember every week that we're sinners in need of His forgiveness. And we get to experience once again the joy of forgiveness, that it's not merely something that happens once in our life, but that the cross is there for us every day. And then we're able to come before God and sing in His presence and offer Him petitions and offer Him our gifts, our tithes and our offerings in response to what He's given us in the blood of Jesus Christ and our redemption. So we sing before Him, we present before Him our petitions, our offerings, and then we hear from Him what He has to tell us in the Word, in the sermon. We hear instruction in the Word and we're built up in that. And then we respond. Just as the people of Israel in their time would hear the law of God and then respond, usually by saying, all that the Lord has said we will do. We respond to the message, saying to God that we have heard you, and yes, we will go out now and we will follow after you in this next week. And then we're sent out again back into the world with the benediction, the promise that as we go, we don't go in and of ourselves, but we go with the blessing of God and the Spirit to go with us. And so I mean, this really is the story of the gospel. This is the story of God's people. And so this is the story that we practice every week in our worship. So that's what our liturgy is about. And in terms of the music itself specifically, we like to enjoy the best that the church has to offer, both new and old. So we practice a mix of both contemporary songs and older hymns, really trying to help God's people worship both emotionally and intellectually, so that we're not just sort of hyping ourselves up on fluff spirituality, but at the same time that we're grounded in God's truth, even as we sing it. And so that just gives you a little picture of what our worship is like here at Christ Covenant Church. So I hope that you find this helpful and interesting, and hopefully you'll come visit us and we'll get to see you sometime. God bless.